Every storm you've ever stood under had a ceiling, a point where it punched so high into the sky that the air up there was colder than dry ice. This map shows you exactly where those ceilings are right now. What you're not seeing here is clouds. Not exactly. Every color in this image is a temperature reading, measured not at the ground, but at the very top of whatever is floating above it. The redder the pixel, the warmer the cloud top, which means lower, weaker, less dramatic. But some of these storms are reaching so high that the air around their peaks drops to negative 70 degrees Celsius, colder than anywhere on Earth's surface ever gets. And that's where things get strange. Look over here on the left side. That chaotic swirl of blue, green, and gold in the upper half. Each one of those colors is a different temperature band. The yellows and golds are already pretty cold. Cloud tops sitting around negative 40 or 50 degrees. But where you see blue bleeding into navy, those towers have punched into the upper troposphere, maybe 15 or 16 kilometers up. A thunderstorm doing that isn't just tall, it's violent. It's driving air upwards so fast that the storm essentially overshoots its own equilibrium. Meteorologists call these overshooting tops, and they are one of the clearest warning signs a storm is capable of producing large hail or severe winds at the surface. Now look near the upper portion of the frame, that deep navy pool surrounded by red. That dark patch is almost certainly the coldest cloud top visible here, which means it's the highest reaching convection in this entire slice of atmosphere. The contrast with the warm red around it is almost jarring. Red means the surrounding air is clear or covered only in low, gentle cloud. That single dark pocket is a storm, essentially standing alone, reaching into a layer of the atmosphere where jet aircraft fly. What's underneath it right now? Rain, rotation, flooding. This image alone can't say. But the temperature tells you something serious is happening. Up near the top of the frame, there's another cluster, blues and greens bunched together on the left side, with that horizontal streak of cooler colors connecting across toward the right. That band likely traces a large-scale weather boundary, maybe a tropical wave moving westward off the Atlantic. Each bright spot along it is a separate convective cell. They look small at this scale, but this image covers roughly 4,000 kilometers from side to side. Each of those little blue flecks could be a storm system you'd drive an hour to get away from. A satellite doesn't see the lightning or feel the wind. It just measures how cold the tops of things are. And from that single number, scientists can tell whether you're dealing with a passing shower or something that deserves a warning. Red means rest easy. Blue means look up. And that navy, whatever is under that navy patch right now, someone is inside it. What do you think that patch looked like from the ground today? We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the data picks next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to check.